Today we're excited to introduce the ANGELBLISS 5-in-1 Baby Bassinet, a versatile solution for new parents that combines a bedside crib, standalone baby crib, rocking bassinet, activity center, and a U-shaped diaper changing station all in one. Designed for infants up to 36 months, this multifunctional crib offers a comfortable and secure environment for your baby while making nighttime care easier with its co-sleeping bedside bassinet feature, which attaches safely to your bed with adjustable heights. The easy-to-assemble and fold design ensures hassle-free setup and storage, making it perfect for parents on the go, while the included diaper table with a safety belt and ample storage space keeps essentials within reach. Transform the crib into a soothing rocking bassinet with unilateral wheels and a hanging music toy to entertain and calm your little one. The spacious bottom layer doubles as a playpen, providing a fun and interactive space for your child to explore and grow. With the ANGELBLISS 5-in-1 Baby Bassinet, you have a comprehensive, all-in-one solution to support your baby's needs from birth through toddlerhood. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.